So this is the back side of our garage. Just wanted to give you a different perspective of the Catio. You're always seeing it from up above. This is what it looks like from down here. We're really hoping to, at some point, get going again on this little project. That's the wall that closes in that area. We made it out of lattice and put a neat little door in there to keep the cats from getting out. I don't know if we'll have to put something on the top or not. A little overhang or something. Yeah, so, and this is the side of the Catio. That's what it looks like from back here. I guess if you ever wanted to use it for something else, you certainly could. Like a giant arbor, I guess. You could put plants all over those shelves and whatnot. Yeah, so this is our little backyard. Pretty little woods. Yeah. I'm really happy with the little wall. It's very nice from the other side too, and it connects the house and the garage. But yeah, I think we are going to have to do something with the top, because Maine Coons they're very lazy, but they're also very powerful. So, you know, if they decided not to be lazy, you know, Bear could scale right up that, so. But from reading, I guess, I've read that if there's some sort of overhang, they will not try to get over it. So, if you know what I mean. Yeah, it would hang sort of in towards me. I don't know, but this is what we've got going so far. Yep. Lots of space down here. And just getting some yard work done. We haven't had any time. We've been looking after our parents, our aging parents. They both have large properties. So we are now looking after 3 large properties, theirs and our own. So our backyard is a mess, but their houses look great because we're always there. This is our firewood for this winter that we will be starting to stack soon. It's 4 cord. I think 4 cord is 4 by 4 by 8, something like that. Or wait a minute, now 1 cord, sorry, is 4 by 4 by 8, I think. Maybe if somebody knows, they could straighten me out. Yeah, so that's what we're going to be busy at soon. Oh, a little puff. Yes. So anyway, that was the tour of the back side of the Catio. Thanks for watching.